short demo on these applications, only a quick demo. Now first, let's go quick for registration. I click register. Now I will register my name. Here I put some function on the password show and hide. So now I put this informations. My email is look@gmail.com, and if we see here from from our Firebase console, we don't have document, so I will submit. Now it successfully registers the data that we input from the app. Is here register. Our password is 1234 and our email is look@gmail.com. So let's log in. Input our password. Here also I put the functions on the password hide and show. So I sign in. From here, this is a actual from the current weather. Now we're looking it is we're looking the actual GPS set on the emulator. Now I will change my I will change my location from this emulator. I will set the location to let's say California. Where's the California here? I will San Francisco. Presto. Okay, so I will set the locations. Now let me enable my charts to get the logs. If I will restart, I will rotate the screen. It will gonna call again from the API. I'll put it back. So now we are on the Presto. The location here is Presto already, so I will change the location again. Let's say I will go to Mexico. Set Mexico, and then I will restart rotate the screen and put it back. Now our location is Nieves, Mexico. So our current location is working. Here from our list weather, I got it from the API name forecast. Here the forecast. We're getting this the forecast. So I got here all the information from this API. So from this list we have 40 items going down, and this icon I use to get from the list, from the what do you call this, from here, from the weather. The icon I used was based from the API, and also on this list weather, when I rotate, like for example, if I'm already on these positions from this light rain, if I rotate, my location still save on this location, doesn't restart you from the top, so it's savable. Did not, and if we observe here, this only call API once, doesn't call API. When I rotate the skin, we check Yeah, it's called, I don't know, it's called, yeah, never mind, it's supposedly from here, we only call this once, but when I rotate, I notice, there's a call from the API, so let me check on this, and then, let's, on this, I have a navigator, we can go log out, and once we log out, there's, alert box to, are you sure you want to log out, option, cancel, or yes. If I say yes, I log out. That's all for now. I need to stop.